everyone, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I have this super fun Little Mermaid inspired set for you guys. I made these as press-ons and I am seriously so in love with how they came out. So if you're interested in seeing this process, then let's get right into it. But before we do, please don't forget to like this video to let the YouTube algorithm know that this is a video worth showing other people. And also subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this. I do post weekly nail videos. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Okay, so the first color I'm using is from the gel bottle. It's just a really pretty pastel-y kind of green. And then for the pointer finger, I'm doing a pastel purple. And then for all the rest of the nails, I'm going to be using Carla from Apres. This is their Extend Gel, but it can also be used as a gel polish color. I'm going to cure these all for 60 seconds in my LED light. Okay, this is coat number 2. I always do 2 coats of polish. And then curing this again for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the tacky layer off of the nude ones. Okay, so for the design on the ring finger, we're doing the little mermaid fin. So I have Bottega from the gel bottle. I think I'm saying that right. And I'm going to take my little art palette thingy and a super thin liner brush like this. This old raggedy thing is from Amazon. I think I got it in my kit when I was in nail school. But just use a super thin liner brush and kind of a longer one like this. This is awesome and it will help you get straight, even lines. So, I'm gonna make sure that's clean, and then I'm just going to pick up a bit here of this Bottega color on my brush, and I'll try to get nice and close, but I'm basically just doing an upside down V shape, starting at the center of the nail and coming down towards the tip. I want this to look like Ariel's fin. Mermaid tail fin thingy. Okay, so like that. And if it helps you to make it more so that it's straight, you can make a line down the center first and then make your lines coming off from the side like so. Okay, And now I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. And to fill things in, I like a more dense brush that's shorter. Just gives you a little bit more control. And then I'll pack that brush with that color and just go in and stripe it on. A lot of nail art is knowing what brushes to use and how to use them at what time, because, you know, if I tried to fill in this with that thin liner brush we just used, it would just end up being kind of frustrating, and it would work in the end, but it's just a lot more hassle. Okay, so I've got that filled. And now I'm going to make her little flippers. So basically I'm going to use my same brush that I use for filling in. And you want to make sure that you don't have like a dollop of color on the end of your brush. So pick up your color and pack the brush, but then wipe off the excess so that you still have that thin shape of the brush there, if that makes sense. Okay, and then I'm going to start at the end of her tail and flick around and up like this, and then again pack my brush, go up and around like this. It's kind of like a circular shape, and you can do again the same thing if it helps you to do a line straight out and then do your circular shapes. That's fine too, and that will help you kind of anchor yourself and know where you're going and what you're doing. I hope you guys can see this. And then you want to just connect it to her tail. Go in on this side and do the same thing, and this time I'll do the line for anchorage just to show you what I'm talking about. So come here and connect to her tail on the other side and draw a straight line out as long as you want her other flipper to be, and then come around here and go do your shape of the flipper. And then fill it in. And then cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, once that's cured, I'm going to be using Crest Sage from the gel bottle, and it's just a light green. And this is what we're doing the details on her fin with. So for her flippers, I'm just taking a small liner brush, that same one that I was using earlier. And again, I'm packing my brush, so you want to load up the bristles with that color, but make sure it's evenly distributed so that nothing's hanging out at the tip. Because see, once I go in and pick up some color, boom, you've got a big old ball on the end, and it's not what you want because it's gonna mess up the shape that you're trying to draw. So you just pack it in, make sure it's still nice and thin. Now I'm going to go in on her flippers, and I'm just going to be drawing little line details like that. So you're gonna kind of go straight down the center and then a few out from the sides and make them nice and thin. They're just little details. Like so. And then I'm going to do the little scales on her tail. So I'm going to do one at the very top there, like so. And then all the others coming down, I'm going to do starting at the center and going out. And then same, start from the end of that one you just drew and go out. Again, starting from the center of the two and out, and the end and out. And cure. Okay, I had to pause here because I needed to explain. I lost a huge chunk of footage here. It's frustrating, but I can't get it back. So what I did was the ring, the pointer, and the pinky finger. On the ring finger, I just did a light purple ombre. And on the pointer and pinky, I did a super cute shell nail design with hard gel. And then I think you will see me in here adding chrome on top of the 3D shell nails. But yeah, otherwise I lost that footage. I apologize, but it's gone forever, unfortunately. Cute. Yeah, I like that. So here's what we have so far. Let's work on our little ombre nail. And this is the one I'm very, very excited for because I got these teeny tiny little forks from Nail Labo. They were on sale. I didn't know why I was getting them. I just knew I loved them. And then when they came, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do a Little Mermaid look with these because they look like the little dingle hopper. So let's put these on the nails. I don't really know what direction I'm taking this, but I'm gonna put my non-wipe top coat on. Okay. And then I'm gonna get my wax tool again and pick up a fork. These things are so teeny. They're literally adorable. I'm just gonna lay it in there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't really know what else I want to do. Do I want to put a pearl in there? I don't know. We'll do a pearl and we'll do maybe some gold circle around the pearl. Maybe like one of these. These are from Nail Labo as well. Alright, so I just put it so it's just framing the pearl. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna cure that. Okay, I've got my chrome powder on my pinky nail. I'm gonna go back over the top with another coated top coat. And I think I'm gonna do a pearl at the center. And then I'm gonna do a gold ring around it. Oh, that's cute. So I'm gonna cure that. Actually, I'm gonna go around it with just a hair more top coat, kind of push in around it. You can even see what I'm doing. I feel like this camera's just not focusing. I'm pushing in around it so that it's really coated really well with this top coat, and I'm gonna cure it for 60 full seconds. Okay, guess who's back? Adorable, so cute, little dingle hopper. This is what we've got so far. Okay, again we have some more lost footage. I apologize. I just don't want to delete this whole video. Unfortunately, I can't find these other clips, so I don't know what happened to them, but I've gone ahead and started on my little flounder nail. So I've gone in with white paint to start, and I kind of did his little shape in white. So his basic shape is done in white, like I said, and then I went over the top of that with the yellow. And the reason I did that is so that the yellow stands out a lot and the rest of the colors that I put on his body really stand out. So that's a little trick for you when doing characters, is to do your basic layout in white and then go in with your color. And then on top of that, I've gone in, as you can see, and done the little black lines for his facial features, and then I left his little eyes white for now. And I will have the rest filmed for you guys. But yeah, the first bit of this is lost for good, unfortunately. Okay, I've finished his little facial details. They're kind of rough. I still have to do his tongue and the little pupils of his eyes, but I think it's pretty cute for a first go. So now I'm gonna do his little fins and stuff, and I'll be back. Okay, I've gone off camera and added some more details, and I think I'm gonna quit here because I feel like if I add more, it's just gonna look rough. More rough than it already does. I don't know. I think he's cute for a first try at a character painting. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, or what I could have done differently to make him cuter. I'm gonna quit here for now and cure him and then put a non-white top coat on him, and then we'll do our final reveal shots. Here is the final reveal, our finished product. I love how they came out. Please, if you like this video, please give it a like, leave me a comment, and let me know what you want me to do next. And subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful and got something out of it. It helps me out so much. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.